Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. Today, as you can tell from the title of the video, I wanted to show you all a very simple, quick, and easy holiday look that you can do. This time of the year, everybody loves to whip out their red lip. I just want to show you all this very quick look featuring featuring this liquid eyeshadow by Kandi Coated Cosmetics. And I picked this up from a consultant in my area. I'll leave her information down below. But I wanted to do a look for you all because I've been MIA. I've been busy, sis, working on lashes and, you know what I'm saying, snatching faces and, you know what I'm saying, being as great as I can be. But I did want to come on here and wish you all happy holidays. I hope you are enjoying your holidays with your family and friends. And I just want to thank y'all for riding this wave with me. I know I'm not the biggest YouTuber out here. I know I'm probably not even in between, but I really appreciate every single one of you who subscribe to my channel. Even when I'm MIA, just know I'm working on being a greater me. So I really appreciate y'all, and I wanted to show y'all this look. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, to get started, I already did my face. This is just going to be a eye and probably lip and highlight tutorial. Something really quick to let you know that you can get glam and cute for the holiday. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm using the I Love Stage Essence primer, or the Essence I Love Stage primer. I'm just going to swipe that over my eye and blend it out. I'm going to go in with my Tartelette Toasted palette, and I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Cozy, and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to go in to Fireside, which is the deeper brown, just to warm it up a little bit more. I'm going to take this Kandi Coated Cosmetics Ultra Glam Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Voyager. I received this from one of her consultants, Kendra. I'm going to actually put her information or her link down in the description box, so in case you wanted to pick this up. This is what it looks like. All I did was swatch it, and it dried pretty fast, so hopefully it'll look really good on the lid. And I'm gonna take this Sigma E55? The Sigma E55 brush and just blend that out. I love liquid eyeshadows. I'm gonna take it a little bit higher, like right there. But it's giving me a really sultry look. And this has a little sparkle in it. But I like these because they don't crease. Like, I don't have to worry about these creasing at all. I went ahead and ordered, I think, it looks like a black, but I'm not really sure. But I went ahead and ordered that one. I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna take the shade Fireside and put it on my lower lash line just to smoke it out even more. Love a good smoke out. I'm gonna go on top of that with Smoky Storm by Stila, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this just to give it more of a sparkle, like a few dabs, not swiping it much, but I want to mix them together and see what that looks like. Oh yes, hunty, this is it, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes, and I'll be back so we can do highlighting and lip. You guys, to highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Baby It's Gold. Baby It's Gold Outside by Patrick Starr and Mac. This is his final collection. This is the packaging. Goes awesome with my nails and my shirt, just saying. But I haven't used it. Just picked it up not so long ago. It's humongous. Like, look at this. The packaging is crazy. And that's definitely gonna last me a long time. So. Ooh. It's a very humble highlighter. But not like terrible. See, and they call this a mineralized skin finish, but we're calling it a highlighter. Like I am anyway. And I'm gonna take some of this and put it on my brow bone as a brow bone highlight. This is beautiful. A little bit of humble highlight. Because this is like a simple and quick holiday look, I am going to be wearing a red lip. I'm gonna wear Color Range Cherry Blossom because this lippy is like the perfect holiday lip. Nothing screams holiday like a red lip. Okay, y'all, I need a little bit more glow. I mean, this is cool, but I want some more because it's holiday time. It's the season to be glowy. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this Artist Couture's Diamond Luxe Luminizer in the shade Honey Dip. I have not used this yet, but look at it. Look at that. So we're gonna use some of that. I mean, just a little bit, not a lot. Ooh. Yeah. Turn me up then. Ice me out. Ice me out. Ooh, when it hit the light, just, ooh, Lord. Okay, guys, so here's the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is just a very simple, quick and easy holiday look. Nothing too, you know, major or whatever. If you want to see something like more extravagant, I guess, leave something down in the comment section. Like this video, let me know your thoughts. But I like this. Like, this is quick and easy, simple, out the door. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got a red lip. These liquid eyeshadows by Bedroom Kandi are dope, as well as the liquid eyeshadow by Stila. I believe these are a little bit less expensive, and they do the exact same job, and they have different shades. So I'm gonna leave her information down in the bottom for you to contact Kendra if you want to pick one of these up. Like I said, I've already picked up another one. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, beauty.